be right back.
I don't know what it says.
Kayla, where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy, Kayla? Show everyone how you dance. Show everyone. Dance and dance and jump. Jump. No. Jump. 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 Jump, Kayla. Jump. Do the kitchen sink.
Do the kitchen sink, Kayla.
Kitchen sink, Kayla. Kitchen sink. Brian said he created the kitchen sink.
Oh my goodness. You fell head first on the ground. Huh. Look at the ball. Oh no. Woof woof. Woof 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 woof. That's new. That's new. Woof 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 woof.
Kayla, I thought you were going to show us how you dance.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Hug Miranda. Hug.
Okay.
Kayla.
Kayla, we're gonna go get McDonald's. What you want?
What do you want at McDonald's?
Chicken, nuggets,
French fries?
What kind of drink do you want?
What drink you want?
Did she say that? Oh. Say McFlurry. Teacher Miranda. Say, ow! 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 Ow!
Oh, hello. What's my name? Tita? Oh, she's just poking everybody now. This is a 2-minute video here of you poking people.
Melody's like, stop it.
I'm trying to play Unblock Me.
Kyle.
And there she goes. And there it ends.